Hi, I'm Danish from Edmonton, Alberta. Today I'm testing the Maximum tire changing kit. Comes with 6 different sockets, metric and standard. Should have all the sockets for all our modern cars. Comes with a breaker bar to break all your lug nuts loose, and then also comes with a torque wrench to tighten them. They're both very sturdy products, all metal, there's no cheap plastic on it. I'm pretty impressed by all that. This torque wrench works great. So once you got your tire on there, you set your specification, and then you can tighten your lug nut until it clicks, and that means your tires are tight and the lug nuts aren't going to go flying off. I would definitely recommend this product to my friends and family. It comes in this nice case you can keep in your car. You can help out anybody that has a flat tire with all the sockets in here. And it comes in this nice little case, easy to carry. You can stuff it under your seat. And yeah, I think it's a great product, and if you're looking for something for flat tires, this would be the perfect kit.